Hi boys, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, good. Let us discuss about a case study on the Internet of Vehicles. Actually, those are called autonomous vehicles. Okay, can any one of you start with the case study?
So there are lots of accidents that are happening in India due to driver faults and some environmental impacts. So these can't be avoided due to drivers' input. So we are implementing autonomous vehicles into the traffic, so we can able to avoid accidents and some incidents. So Nitish will start from this.
So to start with what Mukilan said, autonomous vehicle mainly employs a series of sensors. Sensors is something that gives a sense or maybe some feeling to the car, you can just say. Like there are many kinds of sensor like temperature sensor that monitors the temperature, voltage sensor that maintains the voltage, and pressure sensor that monitors the tire pressure maybe. So these sensors just make sure that they collect the data from the surrounding environment and they just provide the information to the electronic control unit that may process and further take actions if required. Like if the condition is not safe, or maybe if you are driving over speed, like the brake sensors may just apply the brakes and can prevent the collision or accident. So sensors play a major role in autonomous vehicle, and sensors make the autonomous vehicle. Thank you. Yeah.
Surya next to be continuing. Actually, there are 6 levels of autonomous vehicle. Coming to the level 0 is full non-autonomous, and the level 5 is the top level, is fully autonomous. And we already know about the Tesla, which is fully developed country like US, UK. They are using the Tesla for autonomous vehicle, which is in level 2. Like we can use that autonomous vehicle in highways, like yeah, likewise, and which is also integrated with V2X. We can detect the blind spot and traffic signals likewise.
Also emergency vehicles like ambulance, fire engines, etc.
In autonomous vehicle, we use various types of sensor. For sensing the road, we use like lidar, radar, and ultrasonic sensors, and 360-degree cameras. For other things like battery and tire pressure, we use like tire pressure monitoring sensor. And for battery management and battery temperature, they use thermal sensor. And for controlling overall the car, they use controller when it comes to autonomous vehicle. And for battery management, they use BMS. And every alerts and other alerts and driver notification comes through the like V2I communication system from the other vehicles and other infrastructure or other parts of the roads, such as signals or etc. like that.
Okay, Ajay, what is your opinion on that Internet of Vehicles to avoid the accidents? Particularly in India, there are a lot of accidents. That is our case study to avoid such a kind of accident. For example, some of you told about the behavior, human behavior in our country. Particularly, they are not following the rules and regulations. They are not at all going to follow the keep left formula. Particularly in the roads also, no, they are moving as they wish. Okay, for avoiding such a kind of things, what was the result you found in that?
Mainly the ADAS was mainly used for like unusable areas like fog areas. இப்போ அந்த மாதிரி யூஸ் பண்ணும்போதெல்லாம் அடாஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு அந்த யூஸ் பண்ண தேவையானது இப்போ வந்து அன்னெசரியாக இப்போ லைக் எப்படின்னா மிஸ்யூஸ் பண்ணுற மாதிரி தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. அதனால தான் மெயினாக ஆக்சிடென்ட்ஸும் ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது. லைக் எப்படின்னா உங்களுக்கு அந்த அடாஸ் வந்து ஃபுல்லாக ஆட்டோ பைலட் கிடையாது. ஒன்லி அந்த எப்படின்னா லைன் அசிஸ்டன்ட்னால அந்த ஸ்டேரிங் கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணணும். அது மிஸ்யூஸ் பண்ணால் தான் ஓவர் ஆக்சிடென்ட் நடக்குது. தேங்க்யூ.
Okay, great. Okay, so can you continue and conclude the things?
யா அஃப்கோர்ஸ் இப்போ அதே இது சொன்ன மாதிரி அந்த அடாஸ் வந்து எதுக்குன்னா அந்த ஜஸ்ட்டு சும்மா லேன் கீப்பிங்க்கோ அந்த முன்னாடி ஒரு வெஹிக்கிள் வந்து சடனாக ஸ்டாப் பண்ணுறக்கோ இல்லை ஒரு சின்ன சின்ன ஆக்சிடென்ட் ப்ரிவென்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு தான். ஆனால் இப்போ நம்ம கண்ட்ரியில் வந்து என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, அது வந்து ஆட்டோ பைலட் மாதிரி அதை வந்து ஆன் பண்ணிவிட்டு அவங்க மற்ற விஷயங்கள் பண்ணுறதுனால நிறையா ஆக்சிடென்ட் நடக்குது. இட் இஸ் ஜஸ்ட் அன் ப்ரிகாஷனரி ஆக்ஷன் ஃபார் த வெஹிக்கிள். It's not autopilot or any other safety feature. So it is misused in our country. That's why the autonomous vehicles are not working properly in our country.
So you kindly go through those case studies and follow the road rules to avoid such a kind of accidents. Thank you so much.